Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for ways to earn money while you sleep? Passive income is the key to financial freedom, and today we're sharing the best passive income ideas for beginners in 2025. These ideas are perfect if you want to start small, build over time, and create a reliable income stream. Let's jump in. First up, we have selling digital products. This is a great option for anyone with creative skills. Think printable planners, digital art, ebooks, or even online courses. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it super easy to upload and sell your creations. The best part: once your product is up, it can generate income 24/7 with little ongoing effort. Start small by creating something you're passionate about and scale as you gain confidence. Next on the list is dividend investing. If you've got some savings to start with, investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a smart way to earn passive income. When you buy shares in companies that pay dividends, you'll receive regular payouts, often quarterly. Look for stable companies with a history of consistent dividends and reinvest your earnings to maximize growth. It's like planting a money tree that grows over time. Another fantastic idea is renting out property. If you own a home or have extra space, platforms like Airbnb make it simple to turn unused areas into cash flow. Don't have property to rent? Consider fractional real estate investments with platforms like Fundrise, where you can invest small amounts and earn returns on rental income. For the tech-savvy, creating a YouTube channel or blog is a tried and true passive income source. While it takes time to build an audience, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can eventually bring in steady income. Pick a niche you love, whether it's travel, fitness, or tech reviews, and start creating valuable content. Remember, consistency is key to growing your platform. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this is another beginner-friendly option. By promoting products or services you believe in, you can earn commissions on each sale made through your unique link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or specific brand programs in your niche. Start by sharing affiliate links on your social media, blog, or YouTube channel. Last but not least, consider building an online store. Dropshipping is especially beginner-friendly since you don't need to manage inventory. Find trending products, set up a Shopify store, and use platforms like Oberlo to handle fulfillment. With good marketing, you can turn your store into a passive income machine. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort upfront, but the rewards are worth it. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.